Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Under which section of the Motor Vehicles Act can an application for compensation arising from an accident be made? Section 165, Section 168, Section 170 or Section 166? The correct answer is option D, Section 166. Recently in the Sadhana Tomar and others versus Ashok Kushwaha and others case, the Supreme Court ruled that the term legal representative under the Motor Vehicles Act should not be interpreted narrowly and should include individuals who were dependent on the deceased income even if they are not the immediate family members like spouse, parent or child. Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act deals with the application for compensation. Next, what is the minimum imprisonment term for contravention involving commercial quantity under Section 21 of the NDPS Act? 5 years, 7 years, 10 years or 15 years? The correct answer is option C, 10 years. Recently in the Muhammad Abbas Megre versus Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir case, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court ruled that it would be a serious violation of liberty if an accused who has already been granted bail in the case related to the FIR is charged and arrested for a different offence after a period of 15 years. As per the Section 21 of the NDPS Act, for the commercial quantities, the punishment is at least 10 years, extendable to 20 years with a fine of at least rupees 1 lakh, extendable to rupees 2 lakh. Next, according to CPC, a transferee of a decree holds it subject to which of the following? Transferor's approval, judgment debtor's equities, legal heirs' rights, decree holder's consent. The correct answer is option B, judgment debtor's equities. As per the Section 49 of the Code of Civil Procedure, every transferee of a decree shall hold the same subject to the equities, if any, which the judgment debtor might have enforced against the original decree holder. Next, which section of the Limitation Act 1963 deals with the effect of death on or before the accrual of the right to sue? Section 14, Section 15, Section 16 or Section 17? The correct answer is option C, Section 16. Section 16 of the Limitation Act 1963 deals with the effect of death on or before the accrual of the right to sue. Section 16(1) of the Act provides that the period of limitation shall be computed from the time when there is a legal representative of the deceased capable of instituting the suit or application in question, whereas Section 16(2), the limitation shall be computed from the time when there is a legal representative of the deceased capable of being sued. Next, a suit for partition contains which of the following decree? Only preliminary decree, only intermediate decree, final decree or both A and C? The correct answer is option D. Either preliminary decree or final decree, it may be partially preliminary and partially final. Hence, a preliminary decree is decree passed in a suit but doesn't dispose of the suit, whereas a final decree disposes of the suit. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act deals with secondary evidence? Section 60, Section 62, Section 63 or Section 65? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.